Dear teachers, hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Learning Ally audiobooks via your Clever account. So get logged into Clever through the district website or your school website. Get logged in with your auhsdschools.org account and find the Learning Ally audiobook solution app. I put mine under favorites, or you may find it under the additional resources toward the bottom of the page. Click on that and it should automatically open already logged in with your account. Click on the Manage Students tab, and this is where you're going to add students to your class. So search for your students, first name, last name, or ID. And when you find them, just make sure that that's the right person. The first thing you need to do is make them eligible to use this product. This product is intended for those that need help with reading. So once you click your selection, they will receive an email welcoming them to this product. And then you would click on this purple My Students button. Now they're in your class. So you could actually start assigning them audiobooks now. So for example, if you would like your student to read Brave New World, you find the edition you'd like them to have and add it to their bookshelf. You might do all of your students, one or two of your students, or a certain grade level. I want to assign it to all my 10th graders, for example, or maybe just one student. Click Assign Books, and then when your student logs in, they'll be able to see that book on their bookshelf. At that time, they will need to download the Learning Ally app in order to download the book and listen to it. I hope this helps.